Welcome. This is the chain stitch. It's the starting point for a lot of crochet projects, as it's the basis of the foundation chain. It is also the stitch required for turning chains. Let's start by making a slip knot. This can be as simple as making a loop, hooking another loop through it, and tightening. Okay, let's make our first chain. While holding your tail end, wrap your yarn around your hook, known as a yarn over. Pull this through the loop on your hook. The first one can be a little tight, but it does get easier. Now just keep yarning over and pulling through until you have the required number of chains on your hook. Let's take a closer look at the chain. Identifying and counting the stitches can be quite easy. I have circled one as an example for you. When this stitch appears in written patterns, it is CH with a number either before or after it, which tells you how many chains to make. In a charted pattern, the stitch normally appears as a squashed circle, but make sure to check your pattern's key to make sure. When it comes time to making your next row, I like to turn the chain over and work into the back bumps.